When it comes to maintaining optimal kidney health, diet plays a critical role. While vegetables are generally considered healthy, certain types may cause more harm than good, particularly for individuals with pre-existing kidney issues. The kidneys filter waste, toxins, and excess substances from the blood, and certain foods can increase the workload on these vital organs, potentially leading to damage over time. Here, we explore 6 vegetables that could negatively impact kidney health and explain why moderation or avoidance might be necessary. 1. Spinach. Why it's harmful for the kidneys. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, it is also exceptionally high in oxalates, natural compounds that bind with calcium to form kidney stones. People prone to kidney stones, especially calcium oxalate stones, are at greater risk when consuming large amounts of spinach. Additionally, spinach contains potassium, which can be problematic for individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD, or impaired kidney function. What to do instead? If you're a fan of leafy greens, consider alternatives like kale or arugula, which are lower in oxalates and potassium. Blanching spinach before eating can also reduce its oxalate content, but moderation is key. 2. Beet greens. Why it's harmful for the kidneys. Beet greens, much like spinach, are high in oxalates and potassium. While beet greens are nutrient-dense and excellent for overall health, they can be detrimental to those with kidney issues or a history of kidney stones. Excessive oxalate levels can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, while elevated potassium levels can overwhelm the kidneys, leading to hyperkalemia, high potassium levels in the blood. What to do? Instead, opt for low potassium greens like lettuce or cabbage if you're managing your potassium intake. As with spinach, boiling or blanching beet greens can lower their oxalate content. 3. Potatoes. Why it's harmful for the kidneys. Potatoes are a staple in many diets, but they are loaded with potassium, making them a poor choice for those with CKD. For individuals with impaired kidney function, excess potassium can build up in the bloodstream, leading to dangerous conditions like hyperkalemia. Furthermore, processed potato products like fries or chips often contain excessive amounts of sodium, which can further strain the kidneys. What to do? Instead, sweet potatoes, although still high in potassium, contain lower levels compared to regular potatoes and can be a better option if consumed in moderation. Always prepare potatoes by leaching, soaking, and boiling to remove some of the potassium content. 4. Tomatoes. Why it's harmful for the kidneys. Tomatoes are another popular vegetable that's rich in potassium. While potassium is essential for heart and muscle function, too much of it can be harmful to those with kidney problems. Tomato-based products such as sauces, soups, and juices often have concentrated levels of potassium and sodium, further complicating kidney health. What to do instead? If you're looking for a low potassium substitute, try using red bell peppers in your recipes. They're packed with flavor and nutrients, but are significantly lower in potassium. 5. Rhubarb. Why it's harmful for the kidneys. Rhubarb contains high levels of high oxalates, making it another risky vegetable for those susceptible to kidney stones. Additionally, rhubarb has a natural laxative effect, and excessive consumption could disrupt electrolyte balance in the body, which is especially dangerous for individuals with kidney issues. What to do instead? For tart flavors in your cooking, consider using cranberries or raspberries, which are lower in oxalates and safer for kidney health. 6. Asparagus. Why it's harmful for the kidneys. Asparagus is often touted as a detoxifying vegetable, but it's high in purines, compounds that the body breaks down into uric acid. Elevated uric acid levels can lead to gout or kidney stones, especially in those predisposed to these conditions. Asparagus also contains moderate levels of potassium, which can further strain compromised kidneys. What to do instead? Green beans or zucchini are excellent low-purine alternatives that provide similar textures and flavors without the potential risks to kidney health. The role of potassium and oxalates in kidney health. Potassium overload. Potassium is an essential mineral, but when the kidneys are unable to filter excess amounts, it can lead to hyperkalemia. Symptoms of hyperkalemia include muscle weakness, irregular heart rhythms, nausea and fatigue. Oxalates and kidney stones. Oxalates bind with calcium to form crystals that can develop into kidney stones. For individuals with a history of kidney stones, high oxalate foods can significantly increase the likelihood of recurrence. Tips to safeguard kidney health. 1. Moderate vegetable consumption. While vegetables are an essential part of a balanced diet, those high in potassium or oxalates should be consumed in moderation, particularly for individuals with CKD or a history of kidney stones. 2. Cook vegetables. Properly, certain cooking methods, such as boiling or blanching, can reduce the potassium and oxalate content of vegetables, making them safer for consumption. 3. Monitor sodium intake. High sodium levels can increase blood pressure, placing additional stress on the kidneys. Avoid adding excessive salt to meals and limit processed foods. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps flush out toxins and prevents the formation of kidney stones. Staying well hydrated is one of the simplest ways to support kidney health. 5. Consult a dietitian. If you have kidney-related concerns, consulting a registered dietitian can help tailor your diet to your specific needs. They can provide guidance on safe vegetable choices and portion sizes. Kidneys play an essential role in maintaining overall health, and what you eat can have a significant impact on their function. While vegetables are vital for a healthy diet, some can pose risks for individuals with kidney issues due to their high levels of potassium, oxalates, or purines. By understanding which vegetables to avoid or consume in moderation, you can take proactive steps to protect your kidneys and improve your overall well-being. Always remember that dietary needs vary from person to person. When in doubt, consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian to determine the best approach to safeguarding your kidney health. Your kidneys will thank you for it.